So here we are going to demonstrate how to draw some of the characters. Let's start with sh, to be. Now sh has three elements. The top one is the sun, and it looks like this. So that's what you first do. You do a downstroke and do this corner, that's considered the second stroke, across the middle, and then close the box. That is the sun, and that's the top part of the character to be or sh. Then there is a line going across, and we have a gentleman running underneath. And from this, so this is a person running, and here down across. So this piece here, the across, down, and the little line coming out means below. So below the sun, a man is running. And below the sun, a man is running is the Chinese way of thinking of to be or sh. So three elements. Draw the sun, and then draw a line across, and then a man running, and finally put the below part in there. And you have the verb to be or sh.